So we made it to the Reclaimed Rust James Hetfield show at the Peterson Auto Museum.
Yeah.
Warning, the time wasted watching this video is non-refundable.
You are watching Donny TV.
I'm sorry, Scott.
It's all good, Donny. Dude, he does a ton of like all the.
I ruined your shit. I'm sorry.
And like the pinball, you ever seen their pinball machines?
Yeah.
Donny TV, I might have made it. Like,
You did.
It's
Dude,
bigger than
dude.
NBC.
So Scott built this car for Hetfield. It's right there. It's crazy.
And that car.
And
No, we did. I was at San Francisco Ron and Custom Show, and there's a famous picture of you, me, Bruce Gossett, and Mike Lavella at that show when we had that car there in metal.
yeah.
And I'll send you a picture of it.
Yeah.
So
yes,
we could
please
like
do.
make
Yeah.
this
Please
actually
do.
make sense.
Yeah, please, please do.
Because
Yeah,
we were
yeah.
young kids figuring shit out, and it was pretty amazing.
Right.
Totally. I'm glad no
Yeah,
boogers
yeah.
fell out while we were doing this.
Might be a sec. Do you want to tell me about the car?
Dude, so 2/3 of this car was actually hand built from scratch. The grille is all the shape of a 36, but the front of it actually comes down more. That
Yeah.
hood was made one piece, and those cars actually didn't have hood hinges. They had a fold-up hood like this, and we built hood hinges from scratch. I mean, the whole roof of that car is built from scratch. It's basically got just a clear coat over bare metal.
Yeah.
So, I mean, it's a pretty amazing car. The hood sides, the running boards, the trunk, none of that stuff is factory. You know, it
Yeah.
started off as a really rough 36 Ford that was supposed to get painted black, and he liked the metal work so much that he ended up clear coating it.
I remember when you were building that car in your shop.
Yeah.
You were building my motor at the same time for my
Yeah.
satellite, and that was like that car was in the shop, and you're
Yeah.
like, we went over, like you showed me the whole thing. You're like, check this out. I'm like,
Yeah,
oh
'cause
dude,
we got,
that's sick.
we
Like,
got the crazy Metallica tie-in, you know?
Yeah,
it's like
you and I, yeah,
You cut your
yeah.
teeth
We kinda
on a ton of Metallica stuff. and
yeah, we were
I
kind of
gotta
working
cut-
for them at the same time. Sort of,
Yeah,
you know, I was
yeah.
doing art, and you were doing cars, and like, So,
Making shit happen.
Yeah, Scott Mugford, check him out. Here's the blackened truck. I was supposed to actually paint that, but I did not. But did a good job. So yeah, what's up?
You're watching Dirty Donny TV.
Hey, what's up, guys? Artist Dirty Donny Gillies here. I'm using my little mini GoPro. Let me show you what I'm using. I'm using one of these. I'm using this guy. I got two of them. Because my Hero 7 broke. And they are replacing it, but in the meantime, I bought an 8.
Let's open the sucker.
Okay, so let me explain something. I pretty much only use GoPros in the vlog and for Donny TV. Sometimes I'll use my iPhone, but most of the time I use GoPros. And There's a reason why. GoPro is good for everything. It's an amazing little camera. It's an action sports camera. You can vlog with it. The main thing is I can fit this in my pocket. So I'm going out the door, I grab it, I throw it in my pocket, and instant, boom, there it is. I can fit all the gear, my external mic, the lights, the flip screen. I can put all that like in a bag, in my backpack. I can take it with me traveling, and I can set it up at home. I'm a huge fan. I do not want to carry a big clunky camera around. I'm not into it. I'm not into the attention it attracts. That's just my personal opinion. It's not my thing. For other people, it works great. People like to fiddle and they like different settings, and I don't like that. I want to get my settings, my basic settings. I want my indoor, my outdoor, nighttime, daytime, and like that's it. Time lapse. So, anyways, here it is, Hero 8. And this is my 5th GoPro. This is the 5th camera I've got. I loved my 7, but it totally took a dump and don't work no more. And GoPro don't know what's wrong with it. So, okay. Okay. Look at that. This is a little battery. A little blue battery. Gonna mount. I don't use those. Okay. And I'm gonna open this up and I'm gonna start using it, playing with it, and get it ready. Because I'm going to shoot some stuff today. I'm going to James Hetfield's car opening at the Peterson Auto Museum, so I'm going to use this and see how she works.
Donny TV. You're watching Donny TV. You're watching Donny TV. Donny TV.
Exploding golf ball.
You're a little dusty on your cam here.
Donny TV.
Using my Hero 8. I don't have a mount for it yet, so I got it mounted all kind of ramshackle. Got a package from Adam Dubbin from Murder in the Front Row. He's the director of Murder in the Front Row, the Bay Area thrash metal documentary. So for Adam, I did their t-shirt design, also did their poster. This you can get on his site. I'll put a link below, and you can also get it on my site. Adam sent me a package. I'm gonna open it. I believe he got a Murder in the Front Row. He did a different t-shirt with a different artist, so, well, I don't know. Let's check it out, but he sent me something. Oh yeah, that's badass. That's cool. Oh yeah, that's cool. Murder in the Front Row. That's the logo for the movie. So very cool. Thank you, man. I'm stoked to have this. This is really cool. It's got all the dates for the movie, I believe. If you haven't seen it, it's going to be touring, coming around. I'm sure it's going to be on streaming soon, but got to see it. It's amazing. So cool. Adam, thank you. So hey guys, if you like the channel, please like and subscribe. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think.
DirtyDonny.com.
We don't sell guitars. We got posters at DirtyDonny.com.
Excuse me, do you have any posters? Yeah, we got posters.
Yeah, we got sticker packs right here, right here.
Excuse me, do you have any posters? Yeah, we got posters.
So come on down to DirtyDonny.com. We got the poster shop, we got the t-shirt shop, t-shirts, posters, we got stickers, sticker packs, all kinds of stuff.
Go to both shops.
We're located in the internet sky.
Internet? You mean for the computers?
On the World Wide Web.
Wait, hold on. Is this Donny TV?